Decluttering my home is a priority for me this year, and I thought it just made sense to start in the kitchen. I have so many gadgets, so many utensils, just so much stuff that I thought it was time to get rid of some of it. And one thing that always seems to cause me stress is an overflowing cabinet filled with glasses, water bottles, and plasticware for food storage. So today I'm making a decision about what to donate, what to discard, and what will go back in. These two-handled soup bowls and old-fashioned coffee cups I no longer use. I'm going to box them up and put them in the attic until I get rid of that set. That way, all the pieces will be together, but these won't be taking up valuable storage space. This cabinet is pretty deep back on the corners, so I can put serveware that I don't use often back there. That way, they're still accessible, but not taking up space I need for items I reach for more often. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach traditional homemaking for today's homemaker. If you want to learn more about making and keeping a home, hit that subscribe button and tap the little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'm purging the plasticware. I'm tired of them tumbling out when I open the door or not having a lid for this or that container, so I've ordered some new food storage containers. I'm planning on doing some batch cooking where I cook once and eat all week, and I needed some containers to manage that. I saw Robin at Faith and Flour make several meals using the Cook Once, Eat All Week cookbook, and I thought it was something I'd like to incorporate into my meal planning. I'll link the cookbook and Robin's channel below so you can check those out if you'd like. Not only did I get some containers for food storage, but I also got some to use in the freezer. And these Rubbermaid containers are perfect. They're airtight and stackable, so they can help me stay organized in the cabinets, the refrigerator, and the freezer. Now that I'm sure these containers are going to work, I took them back out to give them a good wash. And since I already knew where I wanted them to go, it didn't take long for me to get everything in place. Now, some of that plasticware went into the donate box and some of it went into quarantine. That means I'm going to set it aside out in the garage or in the attic for a couple of weeks and see if I can do without it. If I find that I don't need it, then it'll go into the donate box. If I have to go back out there and bring something back in, then I'll make room for that in the cabinet. To get more decluttering and organization tips that just might work in your home, click here. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out my video on kitchen pantry organization. And I will see you next time.